What's up, guys? So this is a brand new channel. I'm just posting how I find stocks to day trade. So the website that I use is stocktitan.net. You can see it here, stocktitan.net. There is a free version, but I wouldn't recommend it because there's like a delay of like 10 minutes. So the gold membership is like $59 a month. I don't get any affiliate income or anything from that. Um, but this is how I find them. So once you have that membership, or you could even do it if in the free account. But this is how I basically set up my filters, because these are the ones like just with the budget that I have. I just like the smaller cap ones. So when you go to your little filters here, so the first thing that I'll select is the price. So I want it to be between 50 cents and $20. That's what I'm comfortable trading. The other important thing is the float. I've noticed just in my personal experience that stocks that have really high volume and low float are really good ones that move fast in a short amount of time. So you select the float here. It says 30. I don't even know how to fucking change this because I don't want it to be that high, but that's where I have it because I've generally found that like in the 1 to 5 million range, but I don't know, it doesn't work when I do this. So I have to just kind of deal with it and just go through. So that's kind of a crappy thing. I wish they would actually fix that. But the other thing that is really important is I go to this little tab here, and I've noticed that the ones that move like really fast, like they have an impact of at least four. So I have the setting here. You can like play with this, but I've just noticed that if the impact is at least four, it's something that's pretty well impactful for that particular stock. But I mess around with the sentiment too, because there's been some that I've missed if I had this one as four, because sometimes the sentiment's three. But anyway, so then what'll happen is like usually like like in the morning specifically, like this is because I like to do it in the morning, so this is mountain time for me. um but the market opens for pre-market here, so you could see like right at like 5:50, basically on like 5:15, 5:30, like 6, like once that time hits, like all these little headlines will come up. So then I'll see like this is one that I traded today. This was like a really good one actually. So it hit the scanner, had an impact of 4, sentiment 4. So then I went and typed it here into Robinhood. I actually traded this one today. And then right when that news hit, you can see what happened. So that news hit at like 5, I think it was, yeah, 5:05. That's pretty much when it took off. Ran up from 407 all the way up to 675. But you have to be careful with this one. So um, I actually I didn't lose money. I got in like somewhere around here, but I should have sold like somewhere in here based off of this candle. But I still made pretty good money. But like some of these just change really fast. So I got in because the MACD was increasing down here. So on the 5 minute time frame, big volume bar or like decently sized volume bar. But then the next one, dang it just kind of just went really against you. So um, yeah, down here, and then you could see the MACD was decreasing here. So I actually sold down here. I kept it way too long. So I still, I think I just broke even. I didn't make any money. So you just have to be careful. Like some of these, you could just run up really fast and then turn back around. So if I would have sold like somewhere up here, because in reality, this big candle right here, that's a bullish candle. You know, yeah, this one was a tough one. But anyway, that's how I find them on Stock Titan.